Welcome to AEHelp.com's IELTS test preparation videos. You will now see a candidate from Vietnam get a band 7.5 for her performance on the speaking interview. For over 100 hours of video lessons with strategies to get those high band scores, as well as 6 original practice exams and a fully interactive course, visit and join us at aehelp.com. Also, use this discount code in the video description as well to get a 10% discount. Join us today. Now watch and learn. Welcome to the speaking portion of the IELTS exam. My name is Adrian. I will be your examiner for this part of the test, and I will record this for marking purposes. To begin, may I see your identification, please?
Here you go.
Thank you. And what is your full name?
My first and second name are Mai Tien. My family name is Nguyen. Please just call me Mai.
Okay, Mai. Here is your identification back.
Thank you.
The speaking has 3 parts. I will give you instructions for each. To begin, just a couple questions to get to know you better. What do you like to do after work?
Following my day at the office, I like to have a very delicious meal and curl up with a good book on my couch. At the moment, I'm reading Into the Wild.
And what do you do to relax?
When I want to relax a bit, I go to my favorite coffee shop around the corner from my apartment, order a cup of tea, and play with my phone, surfing the net.
Let's talk about learning. What are you learning these days?
Now I am most focusing on English, getting ready for this IELTS exam, and I'm also reading business management book for my graduate studies.
How often do you study?
I study all the time, at least 5 hours a day. Whether reading a book or listening to audio, I'm constantly learning.
What do you use for learning?
I use several sources to gain knowledge and experience, like watching videos on YouTube or learning IELTS with interactive software, private tutoring, or ebooks.
If you could learn any new skill, what would it be?
Well, that's a very interesting question. I never think about that. Maybe I could pick surfing. It sounds very fun, and I would love to experience riding the wave.
Has the information people learn in public schools changed from 20 years ago?
Yes, absolutely. Students gain knowledge from government school this day compared to 2 decades prior has completely developed with higher technology and more information. This day, students focus more on critical thinking like computer. Back then, there was more focus on lexical information and rote memory.
Okay, that's the end of part 1. Now we will continue with part 2. For part 2, here is a card with some questions. Don't turn that over yet. Here is some note paper and a pencil. You will have 1 minute to look at the questions on the card. Think about your answers. Take notes in the 1 minute if you wish, and then you will have 2 minutes to speak. I will tell you when to start, when to stop. Are you ready to begin?
Yes.
Okay, then your 1 minute preparation time begins now. Go ahead. Okay, Mai, your 1 minute preparation time is up. Please begin speaking.
I have an older brother. His name is Kui. He is exceptionally athletic and fit. He has been active since very young age. He has participated in several team sport or individuals like football, basketball, volleyball, judo, and tennis, to name a few. He's 175 centimeter in height and 84 kilogram of muscle. He starts his day with 10K run, followed by nutritional supplement and healthy breakfast. In the evening, he tries to go to the gym at least 3 or 4 times a week. I think playing sport has a major impact on his life. Firstly, he's physically very strong, so he can work and learn a lot. That's why he's very successful on his classes or his job. Secondly, he's very confident and always positive. He's never nervous on the final exam, always smile. And he's my inspiration for being fit and healthy. His motto is exercise before anything else, and that is foundation to have a successful life.
Okay, I'm going to stop you there. Mai, can you please pass back the note paper or the pencil? Thank you. And the questions, perfect. And now we will continue with part 3. For part 3, I will ask you some more questions related to the topic of part 2. Let's talk about fitness and health. What are the benefits of daily exercise?
To see part 3 of this video, as well as an explanation for why Mai gets the 7.5, make sure to visit and join our premium package at aehelp.com. Also, use the discount code in the video description to get 10% off. Good luck the next time you sit your IELTS exam. Subscribe to our channel. Click over here. Watch another video. Click right up here. And click our IELTS Hero to join our premium package and get access to all of our videos, practice exams, and a fully interactive course.